Hi guys, Brooke G here. Thought I would try to talk for this video today. We will see how that goes. Just doing a quick flip and drag. I've got an 8x8 wood panel here. I did give it a coat of gesso and I've got a white base coat down, which I should torch because I see lots of bubbles. And I'm just trying to use up some leftover paints. I don't know if you guys know, but Michael's had a really good sale, buy one get two free on canvases. So I've got some big canvases that I'm going to be getting ready to do soon. So these little cups of paint that I have left, just trying to use them up. I will put all the colors in the description. Oh, gloves. Yeah, I'm trying to talk and do something else. This is what happens when I try to do two things at once. But I'm going to try. Hopefully, as I do it more often, I will get more used to it and I will get better at it. Alrighty. Let's see what we get here. Alright, I've got a couple metallic colors, two regular, three regular. Alright, very pretty. I like it. I almost don't want to move it because that just looks cool, but I'm going to move it. And there's no silicone in these. My pouring medium is basically all floetrol with a little bit of glue-all. Okay guys, you know what? I am going to let this sit for a little bit. I'm kind of happy with where that's out. I do want where that's at. I do want to keep some negative space. I'm going to let it sit for a second. I see some really pretty cells in the lacing there. I really like that. I'm probably going to come back in with a straw. Kind of blow out the edges a little bit. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. All right. I'll be back, guys. so here it is. It's just about dry. Going a little bit closer. The close-up part of the video where it was still wet was really a little too blurry and shadowy to see, so sorry about that. There we go. And I like it. It's really pretty. I feel like it needs something else, and I don't know what yet, but I'll keep looking at it and think about that. But there's some really pretty cells and lacing in there. Alright guys, well let me know what you think. If you like, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, comments. And I hope everyone's having an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.